My name's Paul Lock. I'm a site ranger on the Glamorgan Heritage Coast in the Vale of Glamorgan. The designation of the Heritage Coast is 14 miles long, so I work along that length of coastline, doing all sorts of jobs: conservation, rights of way, access, and hopefully keeping the coastline pristine as we see it today for the next generation. Where I'm based in Southerndown, the coast path runs right by us. Visitors to this section of the coast path are often surprised when they come and see the different sort of landscapes here and the different sort of rock formations and the geology. The cliffs are quite dramatic here. The remains of the Dunraven Castle is still left. You can see the footprint clearly on the ground. And we look after the gardens now just as a visitor attraction. I love my job for the variety really, and being outside in great landscape.